Hi guys, today's episode is only pure drone flying here on the Newhaven Harbour in Edinburgh. I've mounted ND filter 16 and I've used some manual settings, 30 frames per second, shutter speed 1/60th, ISO 200. Let me know what you think, And what do you think about this lens, 12 to 24mm Sony G Master lens, f2.8, bloody wide as hell. It's absolutely amazing lens. I'm super stoked I bought this lens, and I'm super stoked I bought the DJI MINI 3 Pro and ND filters. That blur motion is absolutely superb. Yes, that's all for today. It was only a pure drone video, just some music, some drone shots. What do you think about the DJI MINI 3 Pro? What do you think about the image quality? In my opinion, it's really nice. And this lens, the 12 to 24 G Master from Sony f2.8, it's super wide. Anyway, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about the lens or about the drone, just leave them in the comment section down below. And what else? Oh yeah, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that bell notification icon to be notified when I upload a new video. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Cheers!